Hey everyone, today we are presenting a bit of iron and brass with this 1905 Westinghouse tank desk fan. Now the owner of this fan wanted me to dedicate this fan to the memory of a couple of long lost Antique Fan Collectors Association members. The first being James Gwynn, also known as the Tank Commander, and the spin down specialist Fred Berry, who a lot of us know through here on YouTube, as well as the Antique Fan Collectors Association forum and the DT Vintage Fan forums. These guys are definitely missed in the community. So anyway, onto the fan. This is a 12-inch model, and it features 2 speeds and a centrifugal start mechanism. And what we're going to do in this video today is take a closer look at this fan and then give you a running demonstration of it. So enjoy the close-up shots, and then we'll get to the demonstration. And that is the original finish that this fan has. Here's a look at the cage ring on the brass cage, as well as the cast brass blade hub. You can see the new head wire that's installed on this fan. That's old school wire. You can also see the high polish on the oilers. And as Fred Berry would say, here's the fan's butt. Close-up shot of the motor tag, and just a general top-down view of the fan itself. And now we will get on with the demonstration and start this fan on high. You do have to kick it a little bit sometimes to get it to go. We'll shut it off to watch it coast. And be sure to listen for that centrifugal switch. So with that, I'd like to thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing this antique Westinghouse get put through its paces. If you did, please be sure to hit that like button as well as hit that subscribe button, because we will have more to come. And so with that, we will see you later.